Let's look at some of the setups which are setting up for a possible breakout in next couple of days. So I have around 39 stocks, which includes both bullish and bearish. So you have control 4, which had a recent good earnings and then going sideways. So any breakout from here can be 20% kind of a move from this particular stock. Infinera, similar kind of a situation, has pulled back after some news cliff, earnings news, and then after that secondary, and then going sideways. Breakout can be a fairly like long move in terms of weeks. Century Aluminum, the earnings is this week, so this is setting up very nicely for a possible breakout. Your Scientific Games, which is a little bit extended kind of a setup, so not really something which I'm very keen on. Accordia Therapeutics, if you see biotechnology stocks are doing well, so that's one of the biotechnology play. Max Silver Corporation, see this is setting up very nicely. Series of narrow range day, any breakout can be a good position. Academia Pharmaceuticals, again another one of the biotechnology stocks which has been going up. See here, like made up 25% move. So CLLS, another biotechnology stock, setting up very nicely here. This first leg of the move was 20% move. Then you have Brinks and Company, Webnash, which has been going up for some time here, like going sideways. Activision, which is again a recent earnings breakout and then now has had a pullback. So CRCM, then you have A10. Again, if you see first leg of the move, which is a momentum burst kind of a move, was 20 to 23%, and now going sideways. IDXX, then you have Cray, which gapped up and then setting up. Caldas Software, then you have Allergen, which again, like this was a momentum burst move where it made up 16-17% move, now going sideways. Insight Enterprise, again similar kind of a situation. A lot of stocks on earnings day they gap up and then they set up after a couple of days or weeks, and then they make a second move. And if you see a couple of times the stock has made big moves here, see here 14-15%. So Teledoc, similar kind of situation. Computer Science Corporation, Agro, then Flitcore, again gapping up. This is on the biotechnology play. Charles River Lab, which is again a drug discovery kind of it supplies things to the drug industry for research. Um, so that's CRL. Word2 Financial, then you have Builders First Source, Medidata Solutions, DVMT, Checkpoint. Then you have CNAT, which had a big Catalyst news. Catalyst did make a 53% move here, also made a small move of 25%, again setting up for a possible move. Facebook, which is again setting up. Then on the short side, you have PBG, which is like this is the first leg of the move, down 17%, small bearish fag. So if this breaks, you're looking at more downside. CSGS, similar kind of situation. Cormark Holding, again big momentum burst kind of a move to the downside, 20%, and then going sideways. Breakdown from here will be more downside. Opus Bank, Cardtronics, similar kind of situation. Momentum burst goes down, and then so similarly CCRC, then Asset. So these are some of the stocks which I'm watching for the anticipation kind of a thing. There is a combination of methods which I look for. One is the momentum burst, where I will look for a situation where a stock is breaking out and buying it, and at the same time you're also looking for anticipation. Say something like this is an example of a momentum burst move where in a few days the stock made a big move. Then it sets up as an anticipation. Now again it is going sideways, it might set up as an anticipation move. So those are some of the things to look for today.